Are you a discouraged new YouTuber? Hi, my name is Dave, and I'm here to help you. Today, I want to talk about focusing on people, but working like a machine. The more the world becomes digital, the more important it is to not lose sight of the fact that we still serve, interact, and need people who have thoughts, feelings, and ambitions. When you make your videos, it's easy to focus on the mechanics of it, but let's not forget that the views and subscribers are made by real people just like you and me. If we make our content with this in mind, I think we'll make better content. On the other hand, it's very important to make and keep your YouTube work schedule like a machine. You don't quit when you're feeling down. You don't skip 2 weeks of uploading to go have fun. You work like a machine and treat your YouTube channel like a real business. I know firsthand the challenge of sticking to a daily schedule. I upload a video every 2 days and one YouTube short daily. Yes, it's easier to quit or not follow a schedule, but if you do, you'll get closer to your goals each day. So, focus on people, but work like a machine. You'll get better results this way. If you've experienced growth on your channel implementing any of the advice that I've given in my videos, please share your story in the comments section. And please like and consider subscribing so that you can watch more videos I upload about growing small YouTube channels just like yours. And one last thing. If you're interested in investing some money and time to accelerate your YouTube channel growth, I highly recommend you check out the affiliate link below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to join me in my next video tomorrow.